Hello students, today I am going to tell you about past perfect continuous tense. When we use past perfect continuous, when an action was going on or continue in past for a time duration, we use past perfect continuous tense. Its helping verb is had been. For example, he had been living in Delhi for 5 years. They had been running the shop since 2011. To make positive sentences or affirmative sentences, first we write the subject, then helping verb had been, then verbs ing form, then object, then since or for, and then time. He had been, for example, he had been living in Delhi for 5 years. They had been running the shop since 2011. We use since for the point of time. For example, 2011, November, Tuesday, or 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, like this. Mean point of time should be there. And we use for the time duration. For example, 2 hours, 3 days, 6 months, etc. To make negative sentences, first we write the subject, then had, then not, then been. Means between had been we put not. Then helping verb, then verb ing form, then object, then since or for according to the time, and then time. For example, he had not been living in Delhi for 5 years. They had not been running the shop since 2011. Now interrogative sentences. Already I told you the sentence, there are two types of interrogative sentences. First, the sentences which begin with helping verb which we answer in yes or no. Second, the sentences which begin with question word. For example, what, why, where, etc. First, the sentences which begin with a helping verb which we answer in yes or no. To make these type of sentence, first we write the helping verb had, then subject, and then been. Means subject will come between had and been. Then verbs ing form, then object, then since or for according to the time, and then question mark. For example, had he been living in Delhi for 5 years? Had they been running the shop since 2011? Now second, the sentences which begin with question word. For example, what, why, where, how many, how much, etc. To make these type of sentences, first we write the question word, then had, then subject, then been, then verbs ing form, then object, then since or for, and then time, and then question mark. For example, where had he been living for 5 years? How had they been running the shop since 2011? How long had they been living together? Thank you very much for watching the video.